Namaste. Did you know that you can change and alter the timelines of running and separation? Did you know that your twin's higher self is always speaking to you? Maybe through songs, maybe by constantly putting thoughts in your mind, or maybe urging you to reach a certain place all of a sudden? You may be having certain flashes or dreams that may be from past lives. What message does it have for you? Maybe your twin flame departed from the earth, but you feel the presence. Maybe someone is intuitively speaking to you. He or she has left the physical body, but you don't believe it. Someone is always there, sending you love, sending you healing. Both twin souls also experience issues in married lives when they are married to their karmic partners. Maybe it is the same situation. Maybe it is the same karma. Maybe you both have common conflicts in your own married lives. And anything doesn't turn out to be as the answer. You think you are having sensations. You feel movements in your chakras. Maybe third eye opening, and at the same time your twin also experiences the same. When you try to work on yourself, your twin feels relaxed and finds a way back to you, especially during the runner-chaser phase. What do you think? Are you going through all of these experiences? Since the dawn of existence, where there was no life, twin flames existed as one pure consciousness, beings of pure love, one with Om, the origin of universe. This supreme infinite being once got split into two souls, thereby agreeing to find their way back together to facilitate creation on earth, learning lessons, birthing in different bodies, incarnating one after the other, just to find back the way to their own self, their other half. I am Kiran Sharma and I am here to assist souls who are currently on twin flame journey. So this journey is very rewarding and blissful to those who are experiencing it. The experiences with your twin flame will just blow you out of your mind, tear apart your ego and worldly identity, leading to Kundalini awakening, just to find your way back to unconditional love. This journey is full of questions and can be freaking out and confusing, as the physical reality is separation, running and chasing on the other hand. Universe pushes the soul against the physical reality, giving signs and synchronicities of union. You just can't understand what the hell is happening. If you are going through all these confusions, now is the time to get to the point and get the answers. Now is the time to proceed to union, whether soul is departed or currently in physical reality but in separation phase. No matter what, now is the time for union. Keeping aside the past, keeping aside the conflicts of 3D reality, you may proceed to find divine union. You can find all your answers and much more in this book named As Within, So Without. This book directly speaks to your soul. When in doubt, close your eyes and ask a question about the issue, concern or confusion and see to which page of the book you are directed to. For instance, if you are guided to chapter Soul Song, it means express love to your twin flame. It can also be the other way around. If you are asking the question on behalf of your twin, then he/she would like to dedicate the song to you. Get valuable insights on karma clearing. How twin flame reveals past lives. Guided, easy visualization exercises for union through forgiveness and much more. I have given the link in the description below. Please let me know how this book benefited you in the video comments and reviews of the book. It will be a soul satisfaction for me because my divine guidance wants me to heal and accelerate divine union for the people who are currently on twin flame journey and are considering the journey as full of pain. But remember, it is a gift, it is a bliss. I will wait for your messages. I wish divine union for all of you. Namaste.